I'm Mr. H2S and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I want to show you something I've been wanting to show you for a while. Let's take a look around where we are. We're in Cambodia in the middle of a rubber plantation. And you might not think too much about it when you go to buy a new set of tires for your car. But this is actually where all that rubber comes from. Let me show you something. They cut a little snippet in the tree and rubber drips into these bowls. When the rubber is processed, it gets into large tubs, and I don't know what they do to it, but it's a massive industry. And it's quite sad actually, because they do burn down a lot of jungle land to create these farms. I don't know how many years it takes before a tree gets this big and starts to really produce rubber. Oh. Let me help them out a little bit. Or maybe they're supposed to be sideways, because I see a lot of them are sideways. As you can see, it's kind of a repeated process, I think. And taking a look down the aisles, as I call them. All the trees line up. It's probably more easy to see when you're walking among them. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you where your Goodyear Eagles come from, or your Michelin, or your other tires. There's a guy here driving on tires. It just goes on and on and on, and there are so many of these rubber plantations here. The jungle has given way to, I would kind of call it heavy industry, even it doesn't look like it. So yeah, I'm all out of footage to edit and make videos, so I'm hoping I could make a quick fast one with this one. So that's all. Mr. H2S signing off. Never forget to smile. Have a beautiful day, and don't forget, Happy New Year! Thank you so much for watching my rubber video. I apologize, my throat is a little bit rusty, but I do hope that you subscribe, like and share, and have a beautiful day. I think I said that before, but I mean it.